Hi, my people. So today we are making Egusi Pepper Soup. Yes, Egusi Pepper Soup recipe. The ultimate Nigeria comfort food you need to try. You see this soup? This soup is super delicious. If you are craving for something spicy, something so irresistibly delicious, this is the soup you want. This Egusi Pepper Soup is a fusion of bold Nigeria flavors, creamy egusi goodness, is perfect for a rainy day, a cozy night, is perfect to impress your guests. This soup is the ultimate. Let's make it together. All you need is egusi. You can use goat meat or any type of meat you prefer. Fish, if you have fish. Remember, your pepper soup spice is a must use for this recipe. Pepper, scotch bonnet is a must. Uziza seeds is a must. Okay? Enjoy this video. So we have come to the end of today's video. This egusi pepper soup is the best. You need to try this recipe. Try it and give me a feedback. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching to this point. If today is your first time to this channel, welcome. Do what to subscribe, okay? I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.